So, taking up our session on position of adverbs, we'll first learn about the position of adverb of manner. Children, I have put star somewhere. While watching the video, you must have noticed. Please do the same. And whatever I have written in pencil, you must write there in order to have a quick recap or a quick review of what I have taught you in the particular video. Every time it is not going to be like that you will turn on the video. So better to write there and then revise the topic as and when needed. D part, the A rule says that adverbs are placed after the verb they describe. This is mostly about adverb of manner, because it was a question, it was a topic related to the definitions or the explanation part going here for adverb of manner. So the first rule of position of adverbs, that is for manner, you may write here manner, comes like that they are placed after the verbs they describe. As I've written here, we will learn more about this in higher classes. For this particular class, standard 4, you must learn this much only, that most of the adverbs of a manner are placed after the verb they describe. जिस verb को बेटा वो define कर रहा है, उसमें information add कर रहा है, वो verb के पीछे लगेगा. See, I've written here, but not always. So I told you, rest of the thing or the rest of the details we will learn in the higher classes. As for now, you may see the examples. He spoke angrily. Speaking is my verb and angrily is my adverb of manner, and it has been placed after the verb. Here one more thing has been explained. Never get confused with position of adjectives and position of adverbs. Adverbs बच्चे will be placed after the verb. Not always, but remember, not always. And an adjective will be placed before the noun it describes. So this is the only thing you have to learn from this particular page, that most of the adverbs of manner are placed after the verb they describe. Look here, the examples are there. The athlete ran fast. Running is my verb, fast is my adverb, and it is placed after ran. Work here is a verb. After that word has been used, which is defining hard. It is defining this verb, and that word is hard. Again, speaking or spoke is written here. This is my action word, and well is written after that. So what you have to infer the rule, that adverb of manner is always placed after the verb which it describes. Then comes adverb of time. For every adverb बच्चे there is a rule where to place it, but as I told you, you will be doing that thing in detail, and the exercise also related to that in higher classes. So whatever has been told by me in this particular session, just remember that is the only thing needed for class 4. We can place an adverb of time either in the beginning or at the end of a sentence. This word yesterday is the adverb of time. It can be placed in the beginning or at the end depending upon what you want to stress. आप किसको emphasize करना चाहते हैं, whether you want to emphasize the word yesterday or not, or you are plainly speaking about casually speaking a sentence. Based on that, we can put it in the beginning or at the end. Next comes adverb of frequency. Frequency adverb tell you how often the work or the action is done. So there are two rules which are told in your book. We can use adverb of frequency or often adverb, जो भी बोलते हैं बेटा इसको, before the verb if it comes in one word verb. If it is a one word verb. So what is the rule? If your verb is of one word, for example comes, then it will be used before the verb. Which adverb? Adverb of frequency. ठीक है, but if your verb is of two words, for example have met, these are two words here and the verb is of two words, so you will be placing it in between. Got it? What is the rule for adverb of frequency position? If your verb is of one word, then you will be placing adverb of frequency before it, and if your verb is of two words, you will be placing it in between the two verbs. So as I said in the beginning only, you must have the knowledge of verbs, thorough knowledge of the verbs if you want to learn the rules and the kinds of this particular topic, that is adverb. So that is all for position of adverbs. Just remember, we have done 5 to 6 rules. I suppose 4 only. What was first one? Adverb of manner will be used at the after the verb which it describes. Adverb of time and place can be time can be placed in the beginning or at the end. And frequency, if it is one word verb, before that, and if it is 2 word verbs, then in between. That's all for the position of adverbs, children. Thank you. Kindly take up the exercises. Do not keep your work pending. Thank you. Have a nice day.